Good morning everybody, my name is Karmnye. Welcome to my channel Paper One. Today we will make tippy taps. This is my sister Avyukta. Say hello Avyukta. Hello. Not to me, say hello to them. So today we will make tippy paper frogs. So look at one. It jumps. When it's done, it jumps very high. Look at. Oh, it falls. And if it not works, press here. Then it starts working. So for making a paper frog, we need a origami sheet. So first we fold our paper like this. It has to be very equal. And then fold your paper here. Avyukta, do you want to crease it? Right? Put your finger. I will make you do it. Put it here and then crease it very hard. Then open it. Then do the same with the other side. Do you want to crease it again? Okay. Give your little finger. Then just use your muscles. Then open it. So the fold your paper like this. Give your little finger, Avyukta. Then open it. Now then this is a little bit of tricky. You have to fold your paper like this. So that we can show you, we can show our friends again. If you have done it, you have to not repeat it again. So here we started. We will put our fingers and fold it like this. Then you can see this point. You can fold it here. Avyukta, do you want to crease it? Then do the same with the other side. Do you want to crease it? Then you can fold your paper like this. Avyukta, give your little finger. Then you can just fold. You have to fold your paper like this. I can show, but we will do with the easier thingy. We will fold a paper like this. Avyukta, give your little finger. Then, okay, you have to use very hard. Okay, then do the same with the other side. Now do the creasing of. Use your muscles. And then punch it. Now it's perfect. Then you can fold your paper like this. You have to not punch it, but he's a little kid, so I just said it to punch. It will be very good. So then you fold your paper like this. So now it gets a bit of tricky because your paper gets harder and harder and the steps go harder. So fold your paper. Just do the same with the other side. You want to crease it out, punch it very hardly. Oh, punch it. Two. You have to not exactly punch it. You have to just fold it. But she is a little child, so I did it. Now this is a very tricky part. So unfold this and then straight and fold it like this. Then I tell you it is very bit of tricky, but if you are a very good artist, you can do it. So then you can see this point. So break. Put it. Oh, do you want to press it? Give your little finger on. Do you like making frozen Avicta? Yeah, it's very fun. This is the best craft for me. Then I will fold. Do the same at the other side. Use your muscles and punch it. Punch it. Two. We have to not exactly punch it, but she's a little child. Then fold your paper like this. Avicta, do you want to crease it? Give your little finger. You don't want to crease it. So punch it. Punch it. Oh, don't punch me here. You have to exactly not punch it, but you have to press it. You want to punch it again? Punch it. Make your fist. Strong fist. Then punch it. Oh, don't hit me. You are very funny. Then fold your paper like this. Punch it. Oh, don't punch me. How many times should I tell you? Then fold your paper like this. Then, Then, if you have a pencil, you can make his eyes or mouth. I think I have it. Where is my pencil? I just get it in a moment. Where's my pencil? How? Two eyes and a mouth. Now your paper frogs are ready. Ow. Oh, it jumps very high. I think so. Ow, it has gone here. And if you like the video, please like and subscribe.